Do you dream of exploring the world but think it's too expensive? What if I told you that you can travel solo and save money at the same time? Yes, it's possible, and today I'll share how. But here's the catch. If you don't learn these strategies, you could waste thousands of dollars without even realizing it. So stick around, because your wallet will thank you. Cut to a quick shot of someone paying $20 for a coffee. Like seriously, $20 for a coffee at the airport? We're not doing that. Every great journey starts with a plan, but not just any plan. Research your destination like a detective. Want cheap flights? Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner and book midweek for the best deals. Accommodations? Ditch expensive hotels for hostels, guest houses, or house swapping services. Imagine waking up in a cozy villa in Tuscany for half the price of a basic hotel in Paris. It's doable. You just need to dig a little deeper. But what if I told you the timing of your travel could make or break your budget? Let's dive into that next. Peak season equals peak expenses. Choose off-peak months to save on flights, accommodations, and even local tours. Bonus? You'll avoid crowded tourist spots. Don't let FOMO trick you into traveling during high season. Those crowded beaches and overpriced meals can quickly turn your dream trip into a financial nightmare. Now, isn't that better than fighting selfie sticks at the Eiffel Tower? Okay, now you're there. But how do you save money daily while traveling? Let's talk spending smart. Budget daily expenses. Wisely, 90 seconds. Set a daily budget and stick to it. This is your survival guide. Use apps like Trail Wallet or Splitwise to track every dollar. Avocado toast in Paris? Only if you want your budget to disappear faster than a croissant in the morning. Instead, eat like a local. Street food or farmers markets are not only cheaper, but a cultural experience in themselves. But what if I told you there's a way to save even before you leave home? Let's explore. Packing smart isn't just about saving space. It's about saving money. Overpacking? That's a one-way ticket to excess baggage fees. Underpacking? Say hello to overpriced essentials at tourist traps. Here's a quick tip. Create a minimalist packing checklist and stick to it. Your wallet and back will thank you. Because nothing says bad planning like sitting on your suitcase at the airport. But what about hidden costs? Those sneaky expenses you don't see coming? Let's uncover those next. Hidden fees can ruin your budget. Think credit card foreign transaction fees, ATM withdrawal charges, or surprise booking fees. Know them? Avoid them. Picture this. You're sipping cappuccino in Rome, only to find your bank charged you $15 for using a local ATM. Ouch! Instead, opt for a travel-friendly credit card and prepaid SIM cards for local data. Small choices, big savings. Traveling solo doesn't have to break the bank. With smart planning, off-peak travel, daily budgeting, strategic packing, and avoiding hidden fees, you can save money and still live your dream. Remember, every euro, dollar, or rupee saved today is an investment in your next adventure. The world is waiting for you, but don't let poor planning keep you grounded. Start now, travel smart, and make every penny count.